The Combi Modular Access System is a world-leading access innovation, developed for ultimate ease of design, delivery, assembly and use. Assembly is simple using the proprietary Combi T-bolt and slot system, creating rigid configurations to suit all your needs. No special equipment or training is necessary to install and assemble the Combi system, and no craneage is required due to the lightweight aluminium construction. Its no-weld modular design allows for easy adjustment on site as required. Designing a Combi system is made simple using the Combi Builder online configurator, allowing you to draw, plan and design a fit-for-purpose system for your project, then order it using the configurator parts list once complete. Where plans do not reflect actual site conditions, the modularity of the Combi system allows for changes to be made on site, saving you time and money, and ensuring the system fits every time. The Combi system can be pre-assembled into sections by our expert team to enable efficient final assembly on site, or can be delivered flat packed, allowing easy handling and storage, with each unit supplied in kit form. Combi Modular Access System, it's smarter, easier and faster.